Hello, All-Stars. It's Mrs. Graham again. Today is Wednesday, September 29th. What will be on our calendar for this day? Whoa, look at the patterns that we see on our calendar. We see patterns with numbers. We see patterns with colors. We even see patterns with what is on each card. You have done an amazing job this month of predicting, that means guessing, what will be on each card. What will be on today's card, I wonder? Can you guess the color, the item, and the number? Let's find out. Here we go. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my goodness! Popsicle sticks! We have a group of 10 here, another group of 10 here, two groups of 10, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 9 is 29. So we have 29 popsicle sticks. Good job. Let's move on to our days in school. We have to add another day to our days in school. Wow, we have a lot of days. Can you guess how many days it is today? We have a whole column of 10 days and 5 days here. So 10 plus 5 is 15, or we can count by 5. It's 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 days. 19! Oh my goodness! That means we're moving on. Can we make a math fact that equals the number 19? Math equation. Let me say it that way. Can you write a math equation that equals 19? Or can you write more than one? I'll write one to get you started. What if we had the math fact 10 plus 9? 10 plus 9 is one way to make the number 19. One way to make the number 19. How many math facts can you write that equal 19? It's time for us to add another coin to our collection for this month. We have our pennies and nickels that we've been counting this month, and you're doing a great job of counting those pennies and nickels. Here we go. Spinner, spinner, what will it be today? We're adding another penny. So right now we have 2 pennies for this week plus 1 nickel. How much money is that, All-Stars? Pennies are worth how much again? And nickels are worth how much? I heard it. I heard some of you say the pennies are worth 1 cent. So we have 2 pennies. And we have a nickel, and nickels are worth 5 cents. So we have 5, and I'll write this one out to make sure that we can all see it. 5 for that nickel, plus 1 penny, plus 1 more penny. So far this week, we have 5, 6, 7. 7 cents. 7 cents. Good job, All-Stars. Really, really good job. We'll see what we will add to our collection tomorrow. Very good, All-Stars. What I want you to do right now is count with me some more, All-Stars. But this time, I want you to, can we we skip count this time? Yes. We love to skip count, don't we? Can we skip count by fives this time? And we're going to try to get to the number 30. That's where we're going to stop. We're going to stop at the number 30. We're going to skip count. And remember, when we skip count, we whisper, 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 and then say the big number. So we're trying to count by five. Skip count by five. So we'll whisper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 15, 16, 20, 25, 30. Now, I want to challenge you, AllStars. Can we just say the numbers that have a line under them? Can we skip count by fives that way? All right, let's go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. We did it! Yay! AllStars. Now, can we skip count backwards by fives? You can do it. You can do it. Here we go. 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5. Yes! Fantastic job, AllStars. Very, very proud of you. Very proud of you. Let's do one last activity together where we actually work on these number frames. I love the number frames, and I think they're a great way to teach you more and more about counting, which is super important. So here we have a group of 10 dots plus 1, 2, 3. So if we have 10 plus 3, this is our math equation. What is our answer? How many do we have all together? Do you think you know that answer? So let's count it out. So we have 10. What's the number that comes after 10? 11, 12, 13. 13 is our big number. Yes. Wonderful. Let's try one more. Let's try one more. Oh, wow. Okay. We have 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom. So on this side of our number frame, we have 10 all together. How many do we have on the other side of our number frame? From this spot all the way over here. We don't have any, do we? So it's 10 plus 0, which means we added nothing to it, and the number is 10. Great job, AllStars. Very proud of your work today. Have a great day.